everyone, this is Lakshmi Puja. So we draw any type of whatever, I don't know. And our house have any type of plants, trees. So introduction all. It is semi plants and marigold. So sweet marigold. Let's see. Then this is our coconut tree, very small coconut tree, and beautiful happy flowers, and green chili, and green chili, and black and red. This is our big red, plant. Black. Then it's our very big rose plant. Oh no! Today is not
having any flowers.
Not having any flowers. Our rose plant only words. So this is Shruti-E-Rani. You see the Shruti-E-Rani food. Then it's very beautiful short tree. Then I introduce our our idli flower. This is idli flower. This is rose for orange, and it's lemon. Then it's periwinkle. It's aloe vera, so beautiful aloe vera. Then is kandul.
It is idli. This flower name idli.
Oh, so
People, girls or women make a gajra and wear that.
very beautiful, long chilies.
Red chilies.
You see the chilies and round chilies.
This is a peasant's plant, all are.
This is the pigeon plants for our village, and then it's tulsi plants. Is one type of
Medicine.
It's one type of medicines, and our village